Make a great choice today with the 2017 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, trip computer, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.